Hey all you YouTubers, this is 123X Mark Boy. Today I'm gonna be doing some cold starts. Well, not so much cold starts for my weed eater, leaf blower, and my Arian Zoom. They've ran today, but the Briggs & Stratton MTD yard machines lawnmower will be started up because it has been started up in about a week. Same with my Craftsman Tecumseh 4.5 horsepower engine. So I'm going to start those up first and kill them and then go down the line. Now I'm going to show you a little bit of a close-up view of each machine. So here's my MTD yard machines 3-in-1 Briggs & Stratton 6.5 horsepower engine. It did have a cover on it, but for some reason it would heat up and it wouldn't run right, so I took it off and now it works fine. Kind of exposes the little governor thing, so I can rev it up if I wanted to. This one is the Craftsman 3-in-1 4.5 20-inch Tecumseh engine. Of course, that's always a lie. Although today it started up in one pull, but in the winter time when I pick up all the leaves, it doesn't want to start at all. This one is not really kept up that well. It's got a big, huge hole right there. And this is all rusted out. I got it for free, so that would explain it. This is my Echo curve shaft string trimmer. I've gotten this one because I have my own lawn care business. It's recently new. It's about maybe 6 months old. And here's my Echo backpack leaf blower. This one I've had for 2 years now. It's a good running machine, although it kind of smokes in the wintertime. And then my newest machine, which I got from Home Depot. Of course, they left it out in the rain, so it's got calcium buildup all over it. Oh well, at least it runs and works. It's got a 13.5 horsepower Briggs & Stratton overhead valve IC. It's a good engine, runs good. I don't know what happened, but somehow at the Home Depot store the Briggs & Stratton label popped off. But it says it down there, so that's fine. Well, hope you enjoyed all my cold starts. Not so much of a cold start, but thanks for watching. Comment, rate, and see you next time.